Hi friends, let's check the job vacancies in the IIM Raipur. For the post of administrative officer, pay level is pay is 56,100 basic and up to 1,77,500 you can get. Number of post vacant is 2 posts. For the post of finance and accounts officer, 56,100 minimum. Junior engineer and resident medical officer, 1 post is vacant. And for the post of administrative officer, 2 posts are vacant. Qualification is master's degree candidates can apply from a reputed university with the minimum 10 years experience. Less than 45 years candidate can apply for this job. Entry pay is, that is basic pay for this job is 56,100 and depends upon the candidate's experience, up to 1,77,500 he or she can get. Now, next, see the finance and the accounts officer post, 1 post regular. CA and the ICW candidates can apply for this job with the minimum 2 years experience after qualifying, up to 1,77,500 salary you can get. Less than 35 years candidates can apply for this job. And next, for the junior engineer, qualification is 3 years diploma in the electrical or mechanical civil engineer, etc. 7 years of experience in the respective field. Basic, that is minimum pay is 35,400, maximum is 49,000. Less than 40 years candidates can apply for this job. And for the resident medical officer on contract basis, MBBS candidates can apply for this job. One year experience is minimum 2 years experience after completing the internship, that is post MBBS from the recognized hospital or the health center. Per month 70,000 salary, non-practicing allowance, that is 5,000 per month. Period of contract is 2 years. Now we will see the conditions. Application shall be submitted only in the online mode before 28 October 2020, that is 28/10/2020. Applications are sent to the following address: the Chief Administrative Officer, IIM Raipur, near village Cheria, Ponta, PO Kuru, Abanpur, Atlanagar, Raipur, 493661, Chhattisgarh. Application fee is 500. For the candidates SC, ST, PWDs, that is physically disabled candidates, no need to pay the application fee, and the remaining candidates have to pay the application fee of 500 through the online mode. In case non-receipt of the application fee, the application will be rejected. Candidates should know Hindi and English, both the languages, and to and fro charges will be given by them only. Economic fare or the class travel, whichever is lower, that is they will give the lower amount, the airfare or the other fare. For attending the interview, that is, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel. Please contact if you are feeling any problem while submitting the application. The telephone number is 0771-247-4651, or you can also mail them for the staff recruitment at iimraipur.ac.in. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel.